Imagine you're building a house. You have two options. You can build your own land, your own foundation, your own infrastructure. Or you can build your house on someone else's land. In crypto, that's exactly the difference between a coin and a token. Welcome to Blockboard, the channel where we make complex tech simple. Today, let's uncover the difference between coins and tokens. So what is a coin? A coin runs on its own blockchain. Think of it like owning your own highway. You control the rules. You validate transactions. You maintain the network. Examples of coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Each of them has its own blockchain. Now, what is a token? A token does not have its own blockchain. Instead, it runs on top of an existing blockchain. It's like opening a store inside a shopping mall. You don't build the mall. You just use its infrastructure. Most tokens today are built on Ethereum. Let's take Ethereum. Ethereum is a blockchain. Its native coin is ETH. Now imagine a team wants to create a crypto project. They have two options: build their own blockchain from scratch, expensive, slow, technically complex, or create a token on Ethereum, faster, cheaper, secure from day one. Most projects choose option 2. That's why thousands of tokens exist on Ethereum. Examples of tokens: USDT on Ethereum, Uniswap, Arbitrum. They are tokens because they rely on Ethereum's blockchain. Sometimes projects start as tokens. If they grow big enough, they may launch their own blockchain later. But here's the important part. You cannot magically turn a token into a coin. Instead, the team builds a new blockchain, launches a new coin, creates a swap so users exchange old tokens for new coins. This is called migrating to mainnet. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes a coin can exist as a token on another network. For example, you can own Bitcoin on Ethereum, but it's not real Bitcoin. It's a representation of Bitcoin, called wrapped Bitcoin. Why would someone do that? Because transaction fees might be cheaper, or maybe they want to use it inside DeFi apps. Think of it like this. You don't move the gold. You trade a certificate that represents the gold. Same value, different infrastructure. Not all tokens are the same. Here are the main types. 1. Utility tokens. They give access to a product or service. Example, tokens used inside apps. 2. Governance tokens. They allow holders to vote on decisions, like changing platform fees. 3. Stablecoins. Tokens pegged to real-world assets, like USDT, which follows the US dollar. 4. Security tokens. Tokens backed by real-world assets like gold or stocks. Each serves a different purpose. Let's simplify everything. Coin has its own blockchain, pays transaction fees on that network, acts as digital money. Token, built on another blockchain, uses that blockchain security, often represents a project or utility. Coin equals the highway. Token equals the car driving on it. Understanding this difference is important because when you invest in a coin, you're investing in a blockchain. When you invest in a token, you're investing in a project built on top of a blockchain. That's a big difference. Now you know the real difference between coins and tokens. And why not all crypto assets are created equal. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you understand how blockchains really work, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto insights right here on Blockboard.